From the Rutgers WeatherWatcher studio, here's your Rutgers campus weather forecast.
Good afternoon, Rutgers. I'm WeatherWatcher Chitral Samala giving you an update on today's afternoon forecast. As we take a look at what's happening right now, we have a temperature of 80 degrees and our dew point is at 66 and our humidity is at 62% with a calm wind at 6 miles an hour coming in from the south. Looking at our current temperatures across the Garden State, we have a string of 80s as we take a look at New Brunswick at 80 degrees and then a few cool spots out towards the south where we have an onshore wind that is blowing in, and that's where we see our 70-degree temperatures. Looking at your headlines for the remainder of today and what to expect throughout the weekend and across next week. We are currently expecting warm temperatures for now, and then Saturday rain, where that will be the likeliest chance. More on that later. And then as we get into next week, that's where we'll see fall temperatures rolling in. Taking a look at the radar and the satellite, we have generally clear conditions across the Garden State area, but as we take a look in towards the greater western Pennsylvania area, that's where we have some spotty showers and some light precipitation taking at hand. And as we zoom out and look around the national forecast, we can see that there is a strong cold front out towards just west of us, and that cold front is going to bring in those fall temperatures later into our area. But as we take a look at both coasts, we see that it is generally clear, but back into the Midwest, that is where the precipitation is going to be affecting us later and as we get into tomorrow. Taking a look at your Futurecast, we see that throughout the remainder of today, we are generally clear and some clouds are going to be rolling in. But as we proceed forward into tomorrow morning during that breakfast time, that's where we see the clouds that will be piling in towards the area and in towards Pennsylvania as well. But as we take a look at into the greater part of Pennsylvania and northwestern, that's where, and upstate New York and interior New England, that's where that precipitation is later going to be affecting us. As we take a look into our afternoon hours, this line of storms that'll be coming in towards our area and in towards the Garden State area, and that's where that cold front will be pushing in, and with that line of storms will probably be affecting that afternoon commute in towards our weekend. As we take a look into the rest of Saturday, the precipitation will be continuing forward, and that is when by around dinner time, that's when things will finally start clearing out, and we will see some of the clouds and some of the precipitation finally exiting as we move into in our Sunday, where we're generally going to be seeing a quiet day, but here and then and out we'll be seeing some spotty showers and thunderstorms, pop-ups, nothing too serious as compared to Saturday. Taking a look at your day planner, as we continue on throughout the rest of the afternoon hours, throughout 5, 6, and 7 o'clock, temperatures will be continuing a decreasing trend, but very quiet, very sunny. Enjoy the weather out there right now. Taking a look at your 7-day forecast, as we get into the weekend, that's where we'll see that those PM thunderstorms, but very warm as we get into Saturday. But throughout Sunday and the coming days ahead, that's when that cold front will make a huge role in our fall temperatures, as where we will be seeing a downward trend in our temperatures, and for all those fall lovers out there, cooler weather as we're getting in towards the new week. With that being said, you can always check us out in our other social media pages on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. That's all I have for you today. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you have a great Friday and a great weekend ahead. Thank you.